Bitter gourd, also known as bitter melon or Momordica chalanthia, is a popular vegetable crop grown in many parts of the world. It belongs to the Cucurbitaceae family and is widely cultivated for its edible fruits, which have a distinctive bitter taste. Bitter gourd farming requires specific knowledge and techniques to ensure successful cultivation. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Here are some complete details about bitter gourd farming. 1. Climate and soil requirements. Bitter gourd thrives in warm and humid climates. The ideal temperature range for cultivation is between 25 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius. The crop requires full sunlight exposure for optimum growth and fruit development. Bitter gourd can be grown in a wide range of soils, but well-drained loamy soil rich in organic matter is preferred. The soil pH should be between 6.0 and 7.0 for optimal growth. 2. Propagation. Bitter gourd can be propagated from seeds. Seeds can be directly sown in the field or started in nurseries for transplanting. Seeds should be soaked in water for 24 hours before sowing to improve germination rates. Sow the seeds at a spacing of 1.5 to 2 meters between rows and 1 meter between plants. 3. Land preparation. Prepare the land by plowing and harrowing to a fine tilth. Incorporate well-decomposed organic matter or farmyard manure into the soil before planting to improve soil fertility and structure. Create raised beds or ridges to ensure good drainage. 4. Planting. Bitter gourd can be grown throughout the year in tropical climates. In temperate regions, it is best to plant bitter gourd after the last frost has passed and the soil has warmed up. Transplant the seedlings when they are 3 to 4 weeks old. Plant the seedlings in the prepared beds or ridges, ensuring that the roots are not damaged during transplantation. 5. Irrigation. Bitter gourd requires regular watering, especially during dry periods. Irrigate the crop at regular intervals to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Drip irrigation is recommended for efficient water use and to prevent fungal diseases. 6. Training and trellising. Bitter gourd is a vine crop that benefits from trellising or staking. Install sturdy trellises or stakes at the time of planting to support the growing vines. Train the vines to climb the trellises or stakes to facilitate easy fruit harvesting and disease management. 7. Fertilization. Apply a balanced fertilizer during land preparation or at the time of transplanting. Side-dress the plants with nitrogen-rich fertilizer after the first month of growth. Monitor the crop's nutrient requirements and apply additional fertilizer as needed. 8. Weed and pest management. Keep the growing area free from weeds by regular weeding or mulching. Monitor the crop regularly for pest infestations, such as aphids, fruit flies, and spider mites. Use organic or chemical pesticides as necessary, following the recommended dosage and safety precautions. 9. Harvesting. Bitter gourd fruits are ready for harvest in about 60 to 70 days from transplanting. Harvest the fruits when they are green and firm but not overripe. Use a sharp knife or pruning shears to cut the fruits from the vine. Handle the fruits with care to avoid bruising or damage. 10. Post-harvest and storage. After harvest, sort and grade the fruits based on size and quality. Remove any damaged or diseased fruits. Bitter gourd can be stored for a few days in a cool, dry place or refrigerated to prolong its shelf life. Bitter gourd farming requires regular monitoring, timely management of pests and diseases, and proper irrigation and fertilization practices to ensure a healthy and productive crop. Following good agricultural practices and seeking guidance from local agricultural extension services can further enhance the success of bitter gourd cultivation. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.